Kirkjufell Mountain, located on the Snæfellsnes Peninsula in Iceland, is a breathtaking natural wonder that beckons travelers with its stunning beauty and iconic presence. Often referred to as Church Mountain due to its distinctive shape resembling a church steeple, Kirkjufell is a must-visit destination for those seeking to immerse themselves in Iceland's dramatic landscapes and enchanting vistas. The allure of Kirkjufell lies in its unique geological formation and captivating surroundings. Rising prominently from the surrounding terrain, the mountain's symmetrical cone shape is a striking sight against the backdrop of the rugged coastline and the tranquil waters of Kirkjufellfoss waterfall. The combination of mountain, waterfall, and fjord creates a harmonious and picturesque scene that has made Kirkjufell one of Iceland's most photographed landmarks. Visitors to Kirkjufell can partake in a range of outdoor activities and experiences that showcase the area's natural beauty. The hiking trails around the mountain offer varying degrees of difficulty, allowing adventurers to explore the landscape at their own pace. The Kirkjufellfoss waterfall, which cascades gracefully in front of the mountain, adds to the visual drama and provides an ideal foreground for photographers seeking to capture the perfect shot. Kirkjufell is also renowned as a prime location for northern lights viewing during the winter months. The mountain's remote location, free from light pollution, provides an optimal setting for witnessing the dancing colors of the aurora borealis in the night sky. The nearby town of Grundarfjörður serves as a gateway to Kirkjufell and offers opportunities to learn more about the local culture and way of life. Visitors can explore the town's charming streets, interact with friendly locals, and enjoy fresh seafood in local restaurants. Kirkjufell's beauty is not limited to its appearance alone, it also holds cultural significance in Icelandic folklore. The mountain has been featured in popular television series and films, enhancing its mystique and drawing even more attention to its natural splendor. Kirkjufell Mountain is a testament to Iceland's natural wonder and raw beauty. Whether you're capturing its iconic silhouette, hiking through its stunning landscapes, experiencing the magic of the northern lights, or simply appreciating the serenity of the surroundings, Kirkjufell promises an unforgettable and deeply immersive encounter with nature that captures the essence of Iceland's untamed landscapes, the majesty of its geography, and the timeless allure of a destination that stands as a true marvel of the natural world.